Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and today I'm here with Dan Reuter from U-POL. This video will be the last of a 5-part series which covers the Raptor Protective Coating system by U-POL. Dan, tell me a little bit about what you'll be showing us today.
Sure, Jason, thanks for having me today. Today I'd like to demonstrate a new product in the Raptor family. It's our Raptor Fiberglass Repair Kit.
Oh, I see. Perfect.
Our Raptor Fiberglass Repair Kit contains everything you need to repair holes, splits, cracks in most types of surfaces, including wood, metal, brick, and hard plastics. When mixed and applied properly, our Raptor Fiberglass Repair Kit produces a truly weatherproof surface. In addition to repairing auto body damage, it's also ideal for repairing all kinds of other things around your house. Our Raptor Fiberglass Repair Kit forms a tough fiberglass reinforced plastic that bonds to most materials and provides up to a 6 square feet coverage for your application. It can be easily molded and permanently retains its shape.
It sounds like it could be very handy to keep around your shop and home.
Absolutely, Jason. Each kit contains everything you need, including fiberglass resin, hardener, applicator brush, a mixing cup, and the mixing sticks, and a pack of fiberglass matting, as well as an instruction guide to make your repair go as smoothly as possible.
That sounds great. Are we ready to get started?
Absolutely, let's go.
First, I'll sand the surface with 80 grit sandpaper. Next, I'll blow off the sanding dust. Then, I'll cut a piece of the matting so it's slightly larger than my repair area. Once the larger piece of fiberglass matting is cut, I'll hold it up to the repair area to determine the size needed and trim it to size. Now, I'm ready to mix up the fiberglass resin. I'll begin by breaking the seal on the resin container. Using the measurements on the mixing cup, I'll determine the amount of resin needed for my repair and pour the resin into the mixing cup. For every 44 milliliters or 1.5 fluid ounces of resin, I'll dispense 4 pea-sized tabs or roughly 1 inch of hardener onto my mixing stick. Next, I'll mix the hardener thoroughly in the mixing cup with the resin to eliminate visible streaks of hardener in the mixing cup, which would indicate that the material is not properly mixed yet. Next, I'll apply the mixture to the repair area with a resin brush. Please note that there's a 5-minute pot life with the catalyzed resin, so be sure to apply the material within the 5-minute window. And then place the matting on top of the resin. Then I'll apply more resin on top of the matting to soak it. Allow 15 to 30 minutes for it to cure. Once cured, we recommend using one of U-POL's fillers, such as Fiberall Light, as your next step in the repair process if it's needed.
Dan, that was incredible to see how easy it is to repair fiberglass with the Raptor Fiberglass Repair Kit. Dan, thanks again for being here today.
My pleasure, Jason.
Where can people find more information about the Raptor Fiberglass Repair Kit?
Sure. For more information, please visit raptorcoatings.com.
Okay, great. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.